Hi guys, how you doing? It's Kevin here. Hopefully all is well with you. Just a very quick question that came in from a few people. They're a little confused about this jumping on board this webinar. And the reason why is because it is a confusing topic, and I wanted to make a quick video to kind of explain the benefits and why you should actually look at this fairly seriously. Okay, now Russell has come together with some other people here, and what they've done is they've basically taken the pain away for most people, all the technical details, everything that you need to know, and they've basically made 52 ready-made businesses. Just picture this for a minute, for you, ready to go. So one of the big hurdles for a lot of people is in the world of technology is actually the technology that holds them back. So it can take you a long time to learn the system of how to, first of all, learn about private label rights, and then how to host them, how to put them together, how to build a website, how to upload the materials, how to do everything like that, how to host them, how to host videos, everything. It can take you anywhere between, say, 6 weeks and maybe 6 months, maybe even a year to learn how to do it all. Okay, because you got to connect everything together, make sure it works, and simply people don't have the time for that. Okay, now I did actually learn how to do that, and how I earned my first dollar online was actually using public label rights. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, bring you inside some websites so that you can actually see the product, and you can see some of the products. Now these are not the same products that I'm going to show you. These are just general PLR products out there in the marketplace. I can assure you the ones that Russell has put together, and Paul and this nice lady have put together high quality products. These are done by real people. They're written by real people. They're presented by real people. It's not AI generated. It's actually written by a real person. So what happened in general is with PLR is people are hired, they're paid a salary to go out there and to write articles. They're paid to go out and write ebooks, and they're paid to do presentations, and they're paid to do video tutorials. So that these people are paid, they're happy enough just to be paid a salary for doing the work. Okay, and they're paid very well from the companies. Okay, and what then the companies will do is they will ask those people when they're signing the contract to what's known as give away the rights to the actual product. Now, why would these people actually do that? Why would somebody write an article and then give away the thing? Well, it goes back to the traditional way of thinking for a lot of people, is that they find that the job is more secure for them. So they want to be paid for the work that they do. So that's the reason why they do it. And they're professionals in relation to what they do and how they write the content. Okay, so what that does for you and I, then it gives us the opportunity to work in areas that we can become the expert to, because we can actually put our name on the product as ourselves, and basically keep keep the profit from the actual product that people purchase. Okay, and this is no different to the likes of big companies like Disney. Disney have been in this for years. Okay, and if you look at a lot of the Disney films and stuff like that, they have taken stuff from Charles Dickinson and made them into movies. Okay, and that's kind of like a book that was out of its original agreement to put the label rights, and basically turned that into a film. And Disney made millions from doing that. Okay, by entertaining us all with their wonderful animated films, which is great. So this is the great thing about it is, but if somebody was to present that to you, that you didn't have to do all the hard work and effort, and just gave it to you on a and said, look, here's a little business. Do you want to buy it? And you get to keep all the profit. This is what we're talking about in this area. Let me take you inside and just show you. I've just Googled a few areas here, and these are some products. Certainly the first one that I've used before, okay, which is PLR. Okay, so this one's here called masterresellrights.com. Okay, you can go there and you can see it for yourself. You can see all these different areas here where it says public label rights. Okay, so this is PLR. It's like that specializes in this area, okay, and it consists of PLR products, personal niches, items, private label products, categories, resources, and marketing videos as well as other things. So this is just a quick sample of page one. When you arrive here, you can kind of see this one here is in e-commerce, okay, and you can purchase this, and this is already done for you. So this one is a video and an ebook together. Okay, it is, this one here is you know, just a single articles, 500 articles. So if you were interested in this area, you know, 500 articles, and you just didn't have the time to write out every single piece of content about it, that'd be a very good investment for your return, okay? Because if you sell that on, and they'll give you kind of a sales guideline price to what you can sell it on for, you can quite easily make money back from what you're doing. So the customer gets what they're looking for, okay? And you get to keep the profit, okay? So that's the way public label rights will work, and in this case, they're fairly reasonably priced. So if we just click on board here, this is just the very first one that I've come to. It gives us kind of a rundown of details of it, how it's delivered. It's in a video format, MP4, requirements, any video player. It has 10 audios. It has a PDF, any PDF reader to read it. It's got 48 pages in this. It has released in 2016. And their suggested retail price is $18.79. So you could actually sell this for $18.79, okay? And you purchased it at, you know, it was $18.49. So you're making a few cents as soon as you sell the first one. Anything else that you sell after that is profit. And that's basically what it is. And then they give you a breakdown of the product itself, the summary of the product, what you learn, e-commerce, why e-commerce, and all that kind of stuff. And it gives you detail then of each of the sections of what you'll learn. Down below here is a video summary of what you'll learn, okay, and the videos, and it gives you a summary there of what that's included. It comes with a sales page, which is great. It comes there with a download page, which is great, and resources, cheat sheets, mind maps, articles, graphics, resale extras, sales videos, social media images, and email swipes. So not included in this, okay? But then you have a reseller tools video included in the sales page, upsells, squeeze page, giveaway reports, everything like that. And then it kind of gives you the distribution rights. What you can do is resale rights, yes, so you can resell it. Master resale rights, that way you can actually go in and change some of the content, and they're saying yes. Private label rights, no. Okay, giveaway rights, no. Offered as a free bonus, yes. I can give it away to somebody as a free bonus. If they purchase something else, I can give it away to them. Full graphic copyrights, no. I don't have the rights to change it. I don't have the rights here for this either. Modify the product, the sales page only, they're saying yes, you can. So there is terms and conditions with it. You can be added to a membership site, yes. Okay. May sell on auction sites, no. Okay. May publish offline, no. So it has to be done online. So there's certain rules in relation to what we're doing here. But again, you can download this, and you will actually get the PDF. You'll get a doc as well that you can change, and you can put your name on it as the author. So all this course is done, and people, you can use a pen name if you want to do that in the same way they do on Amazon, or you can use your own name depending on the market that you're really in and what you're going for. So this is a great piece of kit. It's a great way of doing things, but you need to know how to put it together. Now that I've showed you the page, you need to know how to put it together. So what happens is it downloads into your cart, okay, and you get the videos downloaded, you get the ebook downloaded. But how do you put it together? Now, I've given the web page, unless I'm a real tech guy, okay, with the highest tech, I'll be able to upload that, and then I'll be able to sort, I'll be able to put up a website. I'll need the name the host on. I need a name for the actual website. That's another expense. I need to be able to set up a membership site, external, because it needs to host it somewhere. You need to put it somewhere, okay? And that's a real issue for a lot of people. All this technical details, and then you need to be able to put your PayPal button onto the page, make sure that that registers. And if you can do all that, and you can host all the videos, and you've got to upload then your videos to Amazon S3 or somewhere like that, a hosting company that's going to host all your videos for you, so there's no interruption and there's no playing. You won't find this particular information on YouTube, let's say. So you've got to host it somewhere totally separate, and it's got to be good quality, and it's got to have a seal of approval, and everything like that. It's just going to take you so much time. As I said, the expansion time and learning this is probably about 6 to 9 months, maybe even a year by the time you actually get all the components together just for one product up and running. Okay, so that is a huge concern for a lot of people, and we do have the solution for you on the webinar, okay, which is already done for you. So Russell, Paul, and this lovely lady have put together 52 ready-made businesses. Now, all you need is ClickFunnels to actually make this work and operate. And you simply click the button, and all that information transfers into your account, and it's ready to go. And literally, you could do this, and and then that night you could have it up on the internet, selling it and making profit for yourself. So it's brilliant. It's brilliant. You know what I mean? So these are high converting, very well laid up. So within 15 minutes, just 15 minutes or less, you can actually have this already to go for you. Okay. So before we have all this, frustration in relation to technical stuff, how to get it to operate, how to get it, it's just frustrating. It is possible to do because I did it, but it takes so much time. And if you're working a job and you want to have a business that runs independently, or you have your own business and then you're looking for something, I don't need to spend more hours doing it. This is the solution. So you go from this to this guy here who has the turnkey online business, proven to work. That's another great one here, proven to work, because Paul and this lovely lady plus Russell, these guys have already proven, it's a proven model. You'll find out about that in the webinar. All you're going to simply do is come over here, hit this big blue button, okay, and enter your details, okay. And once you enter your details, you'll actually just secure your spot in it. Now, you might have to wait a little bit before you get on the webinar, but that's actually quite a good thing, because this will cut out people who are just going to enter their name and email just for the sake of it, doing that. No, this is for somebody that's looking for, this is not going to be for everybody, okay. That's number one thing. And secondly is for people really that want to have a business run independently when they're on the beach or on their holidays or doing something, and just having money flowing through. So it does require a little bit of investment on your behalf, and we also don't want people just coming on board and sticking their name out and not doing anything with it. It doesn't make any sense, okay? So here's another little site that I came across as well, okay? This one's called PLR which is another PLR site. And this one here is for coaches. The coaches, the life coach, seminar coach, people like that are, into positive thinking, and they're teaching you all about the aspects of your life and your business. Well, instead of me going out there and trying to create everything, I'll just come to this site here, and I will actually download some of the PLR to do that. So then I can actually set up a consultancy business very, very quickly. I can become an expert in the chosen field. Now, lucky for me, I've been involved in this kind of area for about 25 years. So a lot of this stuff I know, but I simply don't have the time to do graphics. I don't have the time to do the layout. How do you put together the ebook? How do you present all that? I don't want all that hassle, so I come to this site. And you can see a little bit about this. And the ones that I have are done for you as well. They obviously have different pricing for each one. But you can see more details about this. You want to look at the one for LinkedIn, simply click here, and it's saying how to grow LinkedIn, your LinkedIn business. It's got a page, a PDF, a doc, a PNG file, and a JPEG. And I'm not sure whether this comes with actually landing pages or anything like that in this one. So this one would have a little bit more of a learning curve if that was the case, and then you can download it from there. Okay, so it gives you kind of an idea. They use a different system here, about 15 credits line to $40, excuse me. And you can see they have also got time-saving bundles as well done out here, which is kind of cool if you're interested in that kind of stuff. So interesting a joke a day. Somebody's a relaxing day on these days. It's to take down this what's that, single working woman's Sisters Day. It's amazing what they come up with, isn't it, these days, and everything like that. So that's kind of like something that you could do with your social media, couldn't you? You could add in something about it there. Anyway, these are some of the people that are, writing the material on your behalf, stuff like that. So you can kind of see this is done out. And again, they have lead magnets, they have articles, videos, infographic content, products, courses, webinars, live events, coaching, membership sites, all that kind of stuff, blogs, emails, podcasts, audios. So this is a good site now, to be honest. You know what I mean? So there's good material from this. Okay. The only thing that stops people again goes back to the whole technical side of things. How do you do it? How do you host it? How do I get the domain name? How to connect the websites together? How to get this product? How to host it, how to do the landing pages, how to do the copy on the pages, how to make sure that it's presentable, how to connect the buttons for what we need to do for our PayPal accounts. And I'm only getting going. So you can see why it takes anywhere from 6 weeks if you're very, very quick and very sharp, to 6 months, maybe even more, just to do one product. Now you can do 52 products within very reasonable ease by just logging on to the webinar and going from there. Okay, so simply log on to the webinar. I will give you the link to the webinar. Ask me if you haven't got it already, and this will really accelerate your growth, accelerate everything that you do, and it's definitely worthwhile investing the time and the money and the resources into this here. Go and check it out first. See whether it's something that I never kind of off-write anything. I give it the time that it's due. You know what I mean? If I'm going to invest something of my time into it, it has to be good. But I usually do with Russell because his products and are excellent. You know what I mean? They really are. So with that said, any questions, just feel free to ask. And that's my kind of crash course before I bring you over to the page. But it's definitely worthwhile doing. Imagine having a business ready to go, 52 ideas. All the headache is done for you. Everything is done for you. And you simply can turn on that business and you can start to put it into Google, where people will go there for problems. A lot of these products are built around that solution, and you match the two of them together and it equals cash in the pocket while you're doing other things, having fun with the family, maybe on the beach, having a good life, and basically making money on the line without you being there, which is spot on. Okay, so with that said, have a great day. Any questions, just let us know. Bye for now.